In this activity, you will use Google Drawings to create an event logo. You will use this logo on the flyer and website that you create in the next activities. A logo is a design that identifies an organization or event and sets it apart from others. Take a look at these logos for a hair salon, a family reunion, a poetry slam, or a pep rally. To create your logo, you will add, crop, mask, format, and adjust images. Cropping trims the edges of an image and removes unwanted sections. Masking crops an image into a shape. You will also add text to your logo using text boxes or word art. To start, create a new project in Google Drawings. From a new tab or window, open Google Drive and create a new drawing. Name it Event Logo. Then, move on to the next video to add and edit images. Now, it's your turn. Open Google Drive and start a new drawing. Name the new drawing Event Logo. Then, move on to the next video to start designing your logo.